All right, guys, the funnel. Just about every hour I'm getting asked about the funnel and what is it? How much is it? Does it work? Okay, all I can do is just tell you, late last night, I finally debuted it on my YouTube channel, kind of released it to my group and to anybody that follows my channel. Okay, Facebook, social media, whatnot. And probably 2 or 3 times a day, I like to make a video about the new funnel. Okay. I'm a big fan of it because I used a funnel system in Live Good. Okay. My Live Good products are over there on the little mini fridge. In the beginning, I was just posting, okay, guys, click this link, watch this short video, and if you're in or out, awesome. Have a good day. Now, I still do that even with my funnel system, but the funnel, it takes its time. Instead of a 6-minute video, it's 20 minutes long, and it shows graphics. It shows what your phone looks like, and when you go to buy something, it could be tires, it could be food, how to draw it up on your phone and have the coupon code or scan, or even at home, if you have a computer, you can actually even print out a coupon if you feel better going to a business where you can maybe hand a piece of paper to that person, okay? But a funnel system, I'm a big fan of. Okay. It takes you by the hand, so to speak, and through video does just about everything that can possibly be done to give you a good feeling that do you want to save money on products that you're already buying or maybe buying in the future, like travel, flight. There's a lot of stuff that you'll probably be buying this summer, if not the rest of the year. Okay. In my case, I love just saving money. For $20 minus 3 pennies, 1997, Save Club's awesome. It's already saved me $700 on tires, a mattress, a couple car washes, and a few accidental whoops going to Burger King. I only like the Whoppers. Isn't that funny? Their food I can take or leave, but those darn giant Whoppers with 7,000 calories, oh, they're just delicious. Okay. But getting back to a funnel. What is it? I think it is an aspirin for your headache if you get to the point to where you run out of content or ideas what to do on social media. Maybe you don't want to do a video like I'm doing right now. And that's okay. Most people don't. But I think you all know that a video, it can be almost 100 to 1,000 times more powerful than just a picture or a simple email or just a message posted on social media, let's say. All right. I'm a big fan of know, like, and trust, and that people join people. Okay. Sure, Save Club's amazing, but if you're going to join my group or me, okay, I want you to know me, my background. Go to my Facebook page, see all of my interest. Okay. The more I think that you get to know me, I think you're more inclined to join my group. Okay. And that's my goal. And it makes me feel good if you do. No doubt about it. Okay. I should have about 100 people signed up in the next week or two, just in this opportunity that's only a handful of weeks old. My income's about $2,500 to $3,000, give or take. Okay. We get paid every Friday. And it's all based on $19.97. There's a one-time fee of $60 where you get your own website, customer service, a capture page. But let's get back to the funnel. There's a lot of good things, and there's a lot of good people that have signed up as a member and an affiliate with Save Club. I'm just offering you an aspirin, and you don't have to take this aspirin because it's cost $25, and that aspirin, believe it or not, is a funnel. Okay. Save Club funnels. I want to just take you through a little journey, especially if you need help with pictures and video already made. Okay. Did you hear that? Pictures and video already made that you can upload to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reels, stories. There's a lot. Twitter? My gosh, there's a lot of things out there. But guys, you've got to post every day and make content, especially now because we're in pre-launch mode. We're pre-launching. June 1st is when it's ready, set, go, but we are still 16 days away. That's why I'm signing up as many people as I can, getting my team massive. And my group that I belong to, we want to have the most people in it because we have people that do make us videos and pictures, give us advice. All right. And we have people that have attained millions of dollars of income. And I like to listen to those folks because they've all made it in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Okay. If someone made a lot of money 5, 10 years ago, awesome. But you know what? It's probably outdated. Okay. It's May 2025. We got to know what's working now. Swipe left, right. Attention spans are 5 seconds. Plus, you got to be somewhat entertaining, to be honest. If you have humor, sexiness, mysterious, compelling. There's a lot of things that end in ing. Okay. But with a funnel system, it's for those that just want to go look at this link. In my case, saveclubfunnels.com. I just want you to watch what I'm about to show you real quickly. I'm not going to show you the whole video because it's 20 minutes that explains just Save Club. And then from there, the training, the videos, the images, everything. Okay, that's a bonus for that $25. Okay. Now, if you do sign up as an affiliate with this funnel system, which you're going to be, you also are going to qualify to get a $20 cash in pocket pay. Okay. So if you do sign up for that $25 funnel, I will make $20. And guys, thank you. I will have 50 to 100 to 150, 200 people eventually using this funnel system. And guess what? Every month, each pays $20. So I expect to make an extra $3 to $4 grand just on the funnel system. Guys, most funnels are $100 to $200, and you can look it up. Just look up ClickFunnels. See, it's one of the best funnel systems out. Ours is $25, and there's an affiliate pay. That way you're loyal to the funnel. The funnel does everything ClickFunnels does. Guys, it is so easy to set up too. Okay, so anyway, let me just show you a little bit. I like to make my videos about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15. But I just want you to look at saveclubfunnels.com because when you click that link, you're going to go to this page. Now, this is the beginning of the funnel. You can change the words. You can change the picture. Right now, just leave it alone. Okay, just leave it alone. I think you're going to dig it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put in one of my email addresses right there. Let's all rock at Gmail. Okay, let's all rock. Come on, let's do it. Okay, ready? Show me the video. Okay, this is the second page to your funnel. It's exactly like this. And like I said, you can change it. But when you press play, this is going to go for 20 minutes. And this is for people that just want to know about Save Club in great extreme detail. Some people just like to sit back with a beverage and watch and see what the heck this Save Club is about versus just reading about it or just kind of having a gut feeling and signing up kind of nonchalant. I want you to really enjoy Save Club and use it. That way you're not embarrassed to talk about it. Okay, seriously, a lot of people, they do online business and they're embarrassed because they think people are going to tease them. All right? This saves money on things you're already buying or buying in the future. No one laughs at that, trust me. Okay, so watch the video. You can go below here. All right, you can see some cool stuff. You can see I'm on the leaderboard. I'm number 8 right now. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, underneath the video, when you're done, you have a choice. Do you want to join Save Club or are you already in Save Club and you want the funnel? Now, if you want to join Save Club, this red button goes directly to the sign up page, capture page provided for that $60 with Save Club. Watch that YouTube video. You can see our founder talk for 6 minutes. Nice guy. His name is Charles Moy. And if you want information or you want to sign up, fill this out right here and hit that orange button. Okay, and come aboard. Let's do it. Okay, $60 plus $19.97. Okay, now that is if you hit the red button. Excuse me, guys, on the left. Okay, now on the right is if you want the funnel system. Okay, if you do want the funnel system, like I said, $25. I will earn 20. Thank you. You're buying me breakfast, lunch, dinner. And if you sign up in my group, I'm going to do everything I can to make you successful. I want you earning something and something. Because if you make money, so do I. Okay, let's be honest. I'm going to help you a lot. Okay, and this funnel system is too. Now, this second video, it's going to just take you on a little journey, tell you more information. And yes, it is a setup video too, where it explains everything you need to do to set your funnel up, which takes 5 minutes. You're just going to copy and paste a couple things from your Save Club account, your affiliate link, and then a couple things where you just hit the word save, and that is it. You're going to have a link. Okay. And it's going to be a link that goes to the capture page, which I'll show you with the boats again, okay? So after you've signed up with Save Club and you think, hey, I think I want that darn funnel. I think I want it. You're going to hit this red button. It's $25 a month. I will make 20. Just like you're going to make 20. Guys, you'll be surprised at how many people are going to take this funnel offer. When I was in Live Good, and I still am with Live Good, I'd say 75 to 80% of my downline, which is hundreds and hundreds. I think I'm at 400. I just signed up someone with Live Good today. Almost every one of them gets the funnel. Okay? It's put thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in my pocket, and it had nothing to do with Live Good. It's just a nice funnel system to help you promote Live Good. In this case, I'm doing the same thing. I'm not even going to mess around. I've only been doing this a handful of weeks. I'm in the top 10, but you know what? I know a funnel works, and I'm just going to be one of the first persons out there to promote a funnel. I don't want people getting a headache to where it becomes a migraine. If you got just a little bit of an ache, I want you to get the funnel now. No wasting time, no confidence issues where you do your best to sign this and do that and promote, and all of a sudden you're just out of ideas, and then you just feel like quitting, or you feel like you just can't do it. Guys, you can. The company and Save Club, it's juicy enough. It's yummy. You just have to show people, here it is. It's on the menu. It's affordable. How would you like it? Medium rare or just well done, you know? So if you click the Join HBA Funnel Builder, it just takes you to a page where you pay the $25 and then there's a setup video. Get our team training. Okay, for you to get to this button, you have to join Save Club and you have to have the builder, because when you hit this, guess what? You're going to be invited to our special group. Okay, listen to this. Team-only training site. All right, we give you the additional funnel codes. And what that means is when we come up with different funnels and freshen them up, you're just going to open up your funnel. You're going to open up a page and put a code in and hit save. And that way your whole funnel will be freshened up whenever. It's brand new now. It's only about 8 hours old. Okay, but the funnel codes, it's all done for you. See, DFY? Well, guess what? We have images for you for social media. We have videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and all the other social media platforms. That's all built into the $25. The funnel's awesome. Save Club is just magnificent. But there's power in numbers. There's power in being with a very dynamic, big-ass group. And right now, we are the biggest and the best, and the awesomest, the thickest, the most satisfying. That's my descriptions, of course. And most people in my group, they're probably embarrassed about me, but you know, I wear the most yellow. That's probably, I just realized I have a yellow little thing on and a yellow shirt, and oh my God, I got a yellow hat on. But I want you to just realize you're not going to be left alone if you want to join this funnel. You can do the traditional way of just doing what I've done, because like I said, I've shot to the top 10 just by doing this, guys, and I'll show you. I'm very successful by just inviting you to ilovesaveclub.com, going to this page right here, watching this YouTube video and filling out right here for more information or to sign up. Okay, all the funnel does is it just does one step before that. Okay, just one step before. That's all it is, guys. Okay, now, this is something to think about, because some people prefer to pay for traffic. And what that means is you find a business out there that hopefully for the best price will give you leads, traffic, clicks for people looking to make money online. Okay. And then what you do is you tell that business to send it directly to your capture page. Now, in my case, I would just put in Save Club, okay, funnels.com. Okay, you can see that. So if you want to pay for traffic, you can do that with this funnel system, but you can't if you're going to send traffic directly to your Save Club capture page. Okay, they can tell if there's any bad clicks or leads. If they're bots, they're fake. What happens is like 1 to 200 leads come from the same IP address. Right there, it's going to trigger the servers at Save Club to just shut you down. They don't want fake traffic. Okay, they want legit, real people. But if you want to buy leads, clicks, traffic, call it whatever, if you have a source that you trust, then you have to do it with a funnel system like this. So in my case, if I bought traffic, I would tell them, send it all to saveclubfunnels.com, and then they would come here. Okay, and if it's fake traffic, sure, they might put in an email, but are they going to click this, show me the video? And then is fake traffic going to go ahead and watch this video and then pick between left or right? They don't. What they do is they jam up your capture page. So if you want to buy traffic, you got to have this funnel system. Okay. I think you guys understand. So I'm very excited about this, guys. I'm going to do the best I can to just promote both links. Okay. And this is what I did at Live Good to be very successful. I'm number 29 out of 2 million people with Live Good. Like I said, I just signed up another person today. And I like to do the same thing. Just invite people to click a link and watch a video. And in this case, if you'd like to just directly try ilovesaveclub.com, all right, and not have to pay the $25 for the funnel, that's great. Okay, I'm highly successful doing that right now as we speak here, mid-May of 2025. But if you want to buy traffic, or if you want a funnel system to kind of take people by the hand after you invite them, and in my case, saveclubfunnels.com, all right, the video that's 20 minutes, there's no way somebody has questions after watching it. Okay, and if you do, you're not paying attention and you're lazy. Okay, we are not building the funnels and doing everything for you. You're not going to join for $80 minus 3 pennies and then be a billionaire. Okay, you got to get off your butt. You got to use our pictures, use our videos. Go to social media. You're probably doing it anyway, and this is not hard. All right, if you have to like dig ditches or drive semi trucks or do something that takes years just to perfect before, oh God, even if you're a pro bowler, it takes years and years of practice just to put that ball down the middle and hit a strike. But with this, all you got to do is get good at doing one thing, setting up the funnel or just joining Save Club and getting good at inviting people to the link, either directly to the Save Club Powerline landing page or like this funnel system I just showed you. That's it. After you're set up, there's nothing left for you to do, especially if you use the funnel. Please don't try to over-explain Save Club and, I don't know, step in your own way and over-explain and make people zone out. All right? That's the biggest thing that people do. And if you have to sit and over-explain stuff, if people sign up with you, they're going to think they're going to have to do the same thing. No. Join Save Club. $60, $19.97 per month. Very cheap, less than $80, guys. Very cool company. Save money just with the membership. All right, save $50, $100, $200. Do it. Just do it. Quit blowing full price here and full price there on things you're already going to buy. Okay, so the club itself is just amazing. But to be an affiliate of Save Club and to be an affiliate of the funnel, all right, I honestly predict, and I got to just put a disclaimer, I think I'm going to pull in an extra $3,000 a month in the next month just off the funnel affiliate. And you're going to do the same thing. I want you so bad to do the same thing. Disclaimer, disclaimer, quotes, quotes. But guys, I'm going to do everything I can to help you duplicate. But if you don't have a lot of experience, then I want you to get the funnel. Okay? I just think you're going to get A, B, C, D to Z way faster than just taking baby steps without experience. Okay? I'm just cutting to the chase. In Live Good, I waited months and months, and then I had a friend finally say, you better use a funnel. And I did, and guess what? My income went up 10K doing the same thing. I just switched the link to go to the funnel before they join Live Good. Well, right now I'm doing both. You can join directly just by going to the Save Club capture page or go through the funnel. It's up to you, but I want you to look at both. ilovesaveclub.com or saveclubfunnels.com. All right, both links are below the video. Guys, thanks. All right, I thought I could do this in 20 minutes. It looks like I'm at 1950, okay? So I'm about a minute early. You guys have a good one. You have any questions, always get a hold of me, okay? Let me just show you my business cards. Cory at corydraper.com. You're not bugging me, guys. Please, if you have a question, please ask. That way I know that I'm in the right direction of being a leader. And if I need to get a hold of customer support with Save Club, I definitely will. But go to support@saveclub.com if you have any questions about cryptocurrency, how to pay. All right, if you live in America, most people just get out their Visa or debit card and just pay with their bank. We get paid every Friday. All right, we got about 10,000 people signed up right now. And I think our payouts hit 250,000 and we get paid every Friday. So I'm excited. In a couple more days, I should have another grand coming in. All right, so to make $3,000 to $4,000 in 30 days, just inviting you folks to a link. Oh man, it's very exciting. Okay, you guys have a good one. And thanks again. 20 minutes is up in about 10 seconds. So I'll end it early. Subscribe to my YouTube channel too, guys. All right. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Have a good one.